Every year since Thomas Tramble began his public education career in 1971, millions of children have scored on the lower level of the academic achievement graph. It seems that lower achievement is one of the last taboo issues. Parents don't like to talk about it because they're afraid their child will be labeled as lazy or lacking motivation to learn, or simply viewed as a child choosing not to learn. These are myths, and the problem can be overcome. Children with unresolved low achievement scores are often categorized and excluded from receiving classroom rewards teachers can offer. It doesn't have to be that way. The book, Design Your Life, Get Applause, is written to give parents a tool to motivate young people to plan for an enjoyable lifestyle. It is a step-by-step guide for both you and your child to follow. Learn how you can coach your child to receive applause throughout their lifetime, filled with joy and fulfillment. Get the book here, available at Amazon.com.